What is one AI idea you think is overhyped right now?
There are many, but I think the most fearful one is that AI is coming for all our jobs and AI is going to replace humans. I mean, initially there was a lot of buzz about, but what I've realized is lot more factors play into when AI can replace a human and in what capacity can AI replace a human. Like, for example, these large language models and then the Gen AI tools, they are very good in crunching information that is already available. So, for example, think before internet, if you were in a particular city, if you need to get an information, you either go and talk to scholars. Next step, you go and pour into the books that are available in the library. And then after the internet era, you started searching the internet. And then after the internet boom, internet became more than whatever the scholar can give you. Right? Like I'm going and asking this researcher or like PhD some information, and then the internet can give me information of 10 PhD. That is how the internet evolution worked. And now with LLMs, I think LLM can give you the information of 100 PhDs. But then it can only give information that is already present for like out of the box thinking, for some of the things that require decision making with creativity. I'm not talking about generating a video or generating an ad campaign, but think where a creative decisioning is needed. For example, a child is crying and then a mother can come up with 10 different games to pacify the child. So similarly, will an LLM come up with 10 different things? Probably not. So I think there are limitations. The full Gen AI hasn't been achieved yet, where the AI is an independent entity. It is thinking for itself and then it can help you out. The costs are exorbitant. And I don't know if even if we achieve it outside of the research capability, if it will be available for common use. So going with this, I think the most overhyped is AI will replace humans. I think it can replace a lot of laborious tasks, a lot of manual intensive efforts. Automation, it is going to be great for automation, but I don't think it can replace the human yet. We will still need humans in the loop, and we will still rely on humans for the out-of-the-box thinking and directing the LLMs, like prompting the LLMs, giving it guardrails, directing the LLMs. I think humans will still be needed. So this seems like a pivot where a new technology is disrupting how the human society evolves, but it doesn't look like a risk where it is going to eliminate the humans.